After experimenting with trading theories, concepts, and indicators, one will eventually attempt to create their own strategy. One way to do that is to build a software also known as Expert Advisor, EA. One of the main advantages of EAs is that they are programmed to carry out certain trading commands just like buy, sell, take profit, and stop loss. Additionally, EAs may incorporate technical tools to analyze the market and identify certain setups that will trigger a number of actions. One of the main advantages of having an EA is that discipline is guaranteed provided that is programmed correctly. Traders without any programming knowledge may download one from the internet. Again, be extremely cautious with that. Test it thoroughly before you commit your hard-earned money to it. If downloading an Expert Advisor, then follow the steps below. 1. From the File menu, select Open Data folder. 2. Then double-click on the MQL4 folder. 3. Then double-click on the Experts folder to open. 4. What is left is to save the file by right-clicking and selecting Paste. 5. The final step is to restart your MT4 trading platform by closing it and then opening it again. 6. If done correctly, your Expert Advisor will appear in your navigator window. Attaching an Expert Advisor is done by dragging it and make sure that a couple of parameters are set correctly. 7. Then make sure that the automated trading button is enabled. 8. To make sure that everything is done properly, a smiley face will appear on the top right corner of the price chart.
Want to be the first to know about new videos? Hit the subscribe button now.